guys, on today's video we're gonna be unboxing this really tiny iPad Pro. So around the box there isn't much information. On the bottom you guys will see the serial number and a little bit of information. On the sides there's gonna be these tabs. Let me just turn this around where we can just bring them down to open this up. So here we go. And opened. So right now I'm just gonna place this on the side and then we're gonna take a look at the manuals and everything else. So let's just take everything out. So right now you're taking a look at everything that comes within the box. So let's start off with the manuals. So right in here, there's nothing else in there. We're gonna see this. So that's all the information within here. It's all the paperwork. And the main thing would be this. So it's in different languages. And right there and right there. It just gives you a quick glance at how the iPad works so you guys can get started easier. But anyways, here is the charging cable that comes with it. Let's just open this up. So the charging cable, you guys will notice there's no markings around it. And the only markings that you guys will see if we zoom in a lot. So here we go. So if you zoom in a lot, you will notice there's some writing down here. It's very, very hard to see. But there you go. There's some writing there. On the back, nothing. But just on one of the sides, you guys will notice that writing. That again, it's very, very hard to see. Very hard to focus in. But you guys get a glance at it. Other than that, there's no markings around the cable or anything like that. It's just USB-C. So here it is. It's USB-C for both sides, by the way. That's just how they're doing it with all new iPads. Right here we have the charger. The charger, again, has to be USB-C. Let's just take this off. And what I can show you around this is some writing, actually right here. So again, this is the writing. So you guys can have a good look at it. But around it, there's nothing else you guys can see around it. All the markings would be right back here. So that would be it for this guy. And now let's take a look at around the iPad. Now here's the iPad. You guys will notice it will say iPad Pro down here. You have this right here to connect your camera, the Apple logo. On the bottom, when we're looking at ports, it's the only port you're gonna see. And then let's take a look at the other side. You guys will notice there's absolutely nothing. Thing on this edge, again, nothing, just speakers. Oh yeah, I forgot that power button. And then we got some volume keys, which I need to focus in. There we go, volume keys, and nothing else. So again, this is an iPad Pro. I will have another video that will show you the difference between this one and the bigger version of it. I also ordered another color so you guys can see the color differences, by the way. Plus, if you guys want to check out the manual, I do have a manual and setup video so you guys can see this guy in action. Now, something I want to highlight with the new iPads, they have their cameras up here. They no longer have cameras on the sides like older iPads had. They have it right here. So it's a horizontal view. Anyways, let's just turn this iPad on for the first time. This is just to give you a glimpse of where the screen, up to where the screen goes. Because a lot of people think that it goes up to the edge. It doesn't. It just makes it look like that. But here's the edge, and that's the screen. So again, here's the iPad, and you guys won't really appreciate the actual resolution on this video. And that's because it's almost impossible to show you the actual resolution. But hey, you guys get to have a quick glimpse at it and how it works, how it flips around. But there's really not much more to show you around this iPad. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.